top 3 places to go birding in Wisconsin.
Number 1, Horicon Marsh, which is the largest freshwater cattail marsh in America. It's a historical landmark. It's like going to a movie. I would say the Milwaukee Lakefront. It's right on a flyway. It's just so much action. You're looking out over Lake Michigan, you think you're at an ocean or something. And then if I had to pick one more, I have to pick something here on the UW-Madison campus, and that would be Picnic Point. It's a beautiful place. It's really spiritual too, because it's got a lot of old Indian burial mounds, and like when you go there, the energy is different.